Hi, welcome to the vlog. Weekend Caravaner. This next video is part of the little shorts that I'm doing about what I get up to, cleaning my van and other little bits and bobs. This one is about my solar panel. I bought a solar panel a couple of years ago for when we used to go camping in my tent box. I'll show you a picture of it's up here, or even around here. We grew out of that. My wife and I are getting a bit tall for going up and down steps and that type of thing, so we invested in the van, of course. Makes sense. So I bought the solar panel just in case we went off grid and that type of thing, as we did occasionally. It's very handy, especially when the sun's out, like now, as you can see, it's shining in on me. Now I use it to keep my leisure battery topped up. If I'm not going to be using the van for a couple of weeks, a couple of months, then I put the solar panel in the front window, rig it up to the battery, and just keeps it topped up. Sometimes if we're going to go off grid, we haven't done it as yet, but we will at some point go off grid with a van. We will drain the battery, watching the telly and charging phones and all these other little bits and bobs. So we want to try and keep that leisure battery in tip-top condition, so I used my solar panel to do that. So I'm going to show you the solar panel now. It's made by a company called Topsolar. I can't remember if I bought it off eBay or Amazon, but I dropped it once and cracked some plastic, but it still works fine. It's good. It's a good bit of kit. Comes with lots of connections and that type of thing, so I'll show you now. Okay, this is the solar panel. It's got a nice protective case. See, it's quite nice. It's quite spongy, so it looks after the solar panel. I'll open that for us. Let's see. There you are. This area contains leads, connectors, all types of things that we will need. Comes with a little booklet. The information about wiring up, how to use it, how to get the most out of it. That's handy. Doesn't look like that. This must be just this one or something. Yeah, that's mine. Okay, so yeah, this is the solar panel. You can see it opens up. It's got a don't cover in solar intensity. You should imagine that's some sort of translation issue. Don't cover in. I think that means don't cover. Anyway, so you see it's quite big. Opens up quite wide. It's 50 watt. Just on the top here. This is where we plug all the connectors in. We've got DC 19 volt, USB, USB-C, and DC 14.4 volt. Okay, so we've got lots of connectors there. We can connect things up. USB, handy for charging your phone via the sun, and lots of other things. Like I said, I use it for the leisure battery. Okay, I have a little amendment to what I said earlier. This is actually a 60 watt solar panel. I got it off Amazon. Nice bit of kit. So this is what comes with it. It's got a little stand, so we can stand it up outside and keep it at a 45-degree angle, because when you're using your solar panels, they work best at a 45-degree angle to the sun. The bits that come with it: an instruction booklet, lots of connectors for most things you'd ever need, and a few other bits and bobs. Don't know what that's for. I know what this one's for. That's good. That's for connecting it to, I've got a battery charger type thing, a power station, some carabiners. I think these are for if you want to connect more than one solar panel together. So say you had two and you wanted to connect the two together, you use these sort of connections. 12 volt socket and another connector thing, and something else. I think this is part of these is for connecting two together. So lots of connectors that come with it, so very useful. And there's one that's not showing on you, which is the one that I've got connected to my actual leisure battery at the moment, and I'll show you that now, because it also comes with bulldog clips to clip onto the leisure battery terminals. Now I will put an affiliate link in the bottom to this this great bit of kit. Like I said, I did drop it once. I've cracked it there, bit of a bugger. It fell about 6 foot, so, and it still works fine. So it's a robust bit of kit. Very, very useful for all types of things. So like I said, I'll put an affiliate link in the bottom. If you choose to buy one and you use the affiliate link in the description below, you don't pay any extra. It's just I get a small fee. I don't know how much it is. It's not much, a couple of pence, but just helps towards the channel, helps me to buy other things to review and look at. And so yeah, I'll show you what it looks like now in the battery compartment. So here we have the battery compartment open. As you can see, I've got bolt down clips. They're connected to the other terminals, and then I've drilled a little hole through there. Don't know if you can see, and that goes in to the end of the bedding area, and I'll show you how I rig it up. So the wire comes in through the back of the battery box, comes along, up, and into the solar panel. On the inside, this is where the solar panel lives. I do wedge it up a little bit so it's at a better angle to get the most out of the sun, and I don't want to put too much pressure on these curtains. I'll show you what it looks like from behind. Also, there's a little some LEDs on it to show you how much power it's producing, and they light up green. I'll show you that now. So I don't know if you can see the green lights, but they are showing me that yeah, we're looking at nearly 100% power being generated from the solar panel going to the leisure battery. Now this solar panel has a built-in controller, so when you're buying a solar panel, be careful, because if you just plug a solar panel, anyone, into a battery, it can overcharge. So you need a controller that controls the power to the battery, so that when the battery's full, you don't keep overcharging it. This one's got one built in, so that's good. So I just plug it into the leisure battery, and it keeps it topped up nice. Leisure batteries don't like to go down too low, so you want to keep them as topped up as you can. This is how it looks from outside. See me? Hello. Absorbing the sun. A few little bits covered. It's probably showing about 80% there. So I'm getting enough power coming from the battery. I think it's producing 14 volts or something, even with parts of the actual solar panel covered. But that's plenty just to keep the battery topped up when not in use. So yeah, it's not too bad, doesn't look too obtrusive. So I hope you've enjoyed this little short about my solar panel and how I keep my leisure battery topped up. If you do find it useful, thumbs up, subscribe and like. And like I said, there's an affiliate link to it in the bottom, and it's a good bit of kit. I've got to be honest, I've used it for a few years now, and it's really good, robust, does a good job. Anyway, from Weekend Caravaner, see you again.